Creating and growing a drone-related YouTube channel can be bloody hard work. Well, let me help you. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and this channel has grown from strength to strength because of you guys over the last 3 years. I'm currently in Norway at the moment, having a little bit of downtime, but it gave me a little bit of time to think about just how my YouTube channel started. From the very outset, I started with minimal confidence. I couldn't even talk to the camera without feeling completely stupid, but I looked to peers and other successful channels where the community gave positive reactions for guidance on how to grow this channel, and I've always aspired to be as good as those guys. When you are still a fairly new channel, it's very easy to make mistakes, which can not only destroy your own reputation, but also the growth of your channel. And so it's really important to listen to other people and to take their advice on board. Now, being here and having a little bit of downtime got me thinking. My channel is almost at 30,000 subscribers now, and I thank each and every single one of you guys for helping me get to that milestone. And I'd like to give back. Lots of you out there produce some incredible drone footage, or you've got very interesting stories to tell, and I would like to help share not only your channel, but also to share your stories to my audience. So the ask here is very simple. If you've got a really interesting drone-related news story, or something that's happened to you relating to drones, or you've just shot some seriously impressive footage. And I'm sorry to add some requirements here, but I don't mean just a basic drone shot. I mean something that happened during a drone shot which made it unique and rare. Simply Dropbox the content and comment below to let me know that you've got something spectacular, and I will follow it up with you so that we can feature not only your channel, but also your content here on DroningON. Not only will it drive additional subscribers to your channel, but it also prompts some really interesting discussion here on mine. So let's get cracking. Collaboration on YouTube is a great way to grow channels, and it's only because of such collaborations over the many years that I've been able to grow DroningON as it has. And thank you not only to my audience, but also to those collaborators. So get thinking about your stories or your footage, comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and click subscribe if you don't want to miss some of these interesting content creators that I'm going to be highlighting over the coming months. Thanks very much for watching.